Good day sir, good day mates. I am Cadet Mislang and this is the Regulation 18 Annex 2, Reception Facilities and Cargo Unloading Terminal Arrangements. The following are the reception facilities that each party to the convention agrees to provide in accordance with the requirements of ships utilizing its ports, terminals, or repair ports in order to receive residues and mixtures comprising such residues of hazardous liquid substances as a result of compliance with this annex without causing undue delay for the relevant ships, ports, and terminals involved in ship cargo handling shall have suitable facilities. Ship repair facilities that work on NLS tankers must have the proper structure in place to receive residues and mixtures carrying hazardous liquid substances from ship calling at the port.